Hello. In this video, I will show you how to change your email and phone number on OKX application. So, it's a very easy process. All you have to do is open the application, then go to the exchange section at the very top. Now, just simply click on the waffle option at the top left corner. Again, after that, just simply click on your email address. And after that, go to the security tab. Then just simply click on Security Center. Now, over here you will have the option of both phone and email. So I'm going to show you the email option, but the process will be the same in phone as well. So what you have to do is go to the email section and then just simply click on Change Email Address. Now over here, just simply enter the new email address that you want, and after that, just simply click on Send Code. Now, a verification code have been sent to you on your new email address that you have just typed. So just simply go to your inbox and check that. So as you can see, this is the verification email. So all you have to do is copy the code, then go back to the application. Now, just simply paste the code right over here. And now in this last option, again, click on Send Code. And now a verification code have been sent to you on the current email address that is signed into your account. So just let me go ahead and check that as well. So as you can see, I have received the new email as well. Now, just simply copy this and go back to the application and paste the code right over here. And now all you have to do is just simply click on confirm, and that will change your email address, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.